Oh my God, Gbenga, please, it's... Oh,
wait, what's that? Let's shift!
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry, sir. I was just overwhelmed. Sir, you're my favorite actor.
Enough. You talk too much already.
Let's all be too attached. I don't think it would work.
No, sir, please, I'm so sorry. This will never happen again, sir. Please, I really need this job, sir. Please, I'm sorry. It will never happen again, I promise.
Can you step forward a bit? Just a little.
My way now.
Where are you hurrying to?
I'm going for an interview now. Remember the one I told you about?
Oh, the maid one.
Come on now, why are you saying it like that? The pay is nice.
Anita, if mom and dad were to be here, do you think they will allow you to do that job?
Well, let me bust your bubbles. Mom and dad are not here. And they haven't been here for a long time. Oh, did you forget that I had to drop out of school? So this is the only job I can do now. Hey?
Sis, you say yourself short.
What do you mean by that again? You call earning more than most graduates selling myself short? Look, don't forget I still have your school fees to pay.
I just had to see you doing menial jobs.
Menial jobs that pay well. Look, IJ, I don't have time for this. I have to go, okay? See you later. Bye.
Wait. What's this? Why do you look like you escaped an asylum?
Ejo, kini asilo.
Why do we have this kind of person here? I thought I had allocated an extra amount of money just so that we have, a great package for this position. So why do we have this kind of person here?
You know what? Enough. Just leave. Leave! Now. Out!
What work? Excuse me, what work? You can't even express yourself. You can't speak English, yet you want to work here.
I can work, sir. I can.
Call the next person.
Oh my God, Gbenga, please, it's... Oh,
wait, what's that? Let's shift!
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry, sir. I was just overwhelmed. Sir, you're my favorite actor.
Enough. You talk too much already.
Let's all be too attached. I don't think it would work.
No, sir, please, I'm so sorry. This will never happen again, sir. Please, I really need this job, sir. Please, I'm sorry. It will never happen again, I promise.
Can you step forward a bit? Just a little. I don't know what to make of her dressing, but she's quite eloquent, and that's a good thing. At least she can express herself.
Sorry, sir.
But you can go ahead and interview her. Let's see what we can get out of her.
Have you worked as a maid before?
Yes, ma.
You know this is not the normal house help job, right? You're going to be working for the Gbenga Peters. And your utmost discretion is needed in this job.
If you find a young lady passed out, unresponsive in my room, what are you going to do first? Are you going to call the police? Are you going to call me?
Sir, I would call you first to let you know of the situation and wait for your direction.
Why?
Because I work for you, so everything should be reported to you first.
Okay.
Great answer. You hired.
Really? Oh, thank you so much, Ma. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'll give you a waiver. Go through it. Sign.
Okay,
And
Ma.
resume tomorrow.
Okay, Ma. Thank you so much, Ma. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Thank you.
So, go through it.
Alright guys, see you on the next episode of Simple Living. Catch ya! Bye!
You and all this your video when they bring money.
See, it's small low. One was not beating a day. What is it? Don't look at me.
Give me first.
Easy.
I do. See, this job I just started. It's only God that will save me.
What happened?
Can you believe that after this man hired me, he asked me to take his bag to the car, which I did.
Okay.
And I thought that was all. My sister, the next time I saw myself in a supermarket carrying things around. I do PA and maid work today.
But I thought you went for the role of a maid. Are you now also doing PA job?
I thought so too. But I got the job and I wanted to impress them. That was why I did not complain.
You know how these rich people are. They will use you.
You see, this guy is not anyhow rich person. This guy is Gbenga Peters, the actor.
What? Wait. Gbenga Peters? The famous actor? Oh my God! How is he cute? Is he handsome? How does he look?
Can you look at yourself?
Stop, Joe.
I'm telling you how they treated me. You're asking if he's handsome.
Stop, Joe. How does he look? Is he as cute as he is in the movies? Joe, you're not talk.
Well, he's handsome. I was practically drooling when I saw him and his manager snapped at me.
Damn! Can you imagine? Somebody you've been crushing on all this while. He's your boss. Wow.
But this guy is not nice at all. And these things I'm telling you is for your ears only. It's not for your YouTube and TikTok audience. Please,
Mouth tips. Bosses, can I come visit you in your office?
Please. Don't even think about it. Stop that.
Okay, maybe later I'll come.
Maybe later, but for now you can't come. I'm still trying to gain their trust.
It's actually a tea from a channel.
Don't even think about it. Look, IG, I signed a waiver. I'll go to jail if anything about his personal life comes out to the press.
I'm joking, no, please.
Better be. IG.
What?
Do you know what this guy asked me before he hired me?
What did he ask you?
That if I see a girl passed out on his floor, would I call him first or call the police?
And what was your reply?
I said that I'll call him first.
Sharp girl.
That will come on, police come and carry me and him. Wait,
why is he even asking you that kind of a question? Is he planning on killing someone?
I don't know, but you should just wait first. Let me collect my first 6 months salary. I beg.
Oh, So after collecting your first 6 months salary, he can go ahead and kill anybody.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it's a me. I think whatever I want.
Sis!
What?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You're here.
Yes, sir.
That's good. You're
Hi,
welcome.
baby.
Good morning, ma.
Stop.
What are you still looking at? Come on, go get yourself used to in the kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
So why can't I call you baby?
You can't call me baby. We have an agreement, all right? You see, this thing we're doing, we're friends with benefits. It's not that deep. You understand? I'm not interested in being in a relationship with any woman right now. So no PDAs, none of that. You don't do that in front of people, whether we're indoors or we're outdoors. You don't do that.
So would it be so bad to be in a relationship with me?
Well,
I mean, have you seen me?
I have seen you. I see you all the time. I've known you for years.
No. Please take a good look.
She doesn't get it. You know what? I think you and I should stop this thing we're doing. You're beginning to get ideas.
Really?
Yeah. We need to stop. You need to stop trying to possess me. Auntie, you know that I'm not a man a woman can possess. Stop trying now. Okay? That's the only way this thing can work. Stop trying. Why are you swelling up? You want to burst? Did you ask questions before making this for breakfast?
No, sir. But Madam said...
Madam who? Madam what? There's no madam in my house. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now that we have that out of the way, I want you to know that this is a bit too heavy for breakfast. I appreciate the fruits, but this... Okay? Make me tea.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Keep it light.
Okay.
If you have sliced bread, perfect. Okay? Please take this. Thank you.
Did you have to embarrass me like that because of the maid?
What did I say that is out of place? Aries, you're my manager. You also want to be the madam in my house.
Am I not?
No, you're not. You're not my wife. I'm not married to you. There is no madam around here. There will never be a madam here, except my daughter, of course.
And how will that daughter exist without a mother?
I'd like to put a cap on this topic. All right? I saw something that is out of place. I decided to nip it in the bud. Okay? I wouldn't have seen you call yourself a madam in this house and let it fly. No, if I let it fly, then it will stick. And then we'll have a problem.
Whatever. Maid! Maid!
Yes, ma'am.
God, what's this? You make this. Did you taste this?
No, ma'am.
Because if you had tasted it, you would have known that the amount of salt inside could slice your tongue into two.
I'm so sorry, Mama. Please, this is my second day of work. I just started, so please just help me manage it for today. It will never happen again.
Did you say manage? Look around you. Does it look like we manage in this house? Sorry for your stupid self. Now take this thing out of my sight and get me something nice.
Look into my eyes and tell me you understand.
Hey. Where do you think you're going to?
Mom, I'm done for the day.
Anyways, my fiancé is coming with his friends. Okay, we're having an in-house party. So get yourself to the kitchen and be useful.
But Ma, that was not the agreement. I'm supposed to close by 6 p.m. and it's way past 6 already.
I gave the instructions and you follow. Now get yourself to the kitchen. I'll send you things to prepare. Nonsense.
Look into my eyes and tell me you understand. I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I need to let go. I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I need to let go. But I try every day.
Sis, why are you coming back by this time?
I'm tired. Look, I am not just tired. I am just so angry. Actually, do you know that I closed work by 6 p.m.? Then suddenly my boss walks in with friends. And these people made me cook till now. I just closed the work officially.
This is your boss self. What's even wrong with him? Eh? He's not aware that you're a lady and you're not supposed to keep late nights. And you self, you know they talk.
I know they talk. You want me to talk so I will lose my job? Eh? Look, I'm not complaining.
But you're complaining to me.
Now who else will I complain to if not you?
See, eh? Say you and that your boss. It's like he doesn't know I run a YouTube channel. Eh? Until you guys enter my YouTube, you will know.
What's that supposed to mean now? IJ, please. I take God name, beg you. Who sent you now? What's that? I don't want to go back to you and I don't want to lose my job.
Now you and your organ know. If you not like Mona, they do until I enter my YouTube channel. I was waiting for you. I want to go and sleep.
IJ, you better be joking, because I don't understand you. I don't put myself inside trouble. How was I telling this girl all these things now? IJ! Please, why? Gbenga!
Why are you screaming?
Gbenga, why do you hate me so much?
What is this about?
You want to have kids. And you're considering using a surrogate. One can get married and start a family.
Listen, we've talked about this before. I don't know why you keep trying to get me to wife you. That is something I'm never going to do. Huh?
And whose fault is that?
That's your fault. You have your head in the wrong place. We had an agreement. This you and I are doing is about sex. I don't want the things that you want. Stop wanting the things that I want.
Am I not good enough to carry your child?
Of course you are. You're a human being. But I also know that you're possessive. You have a temper problem. And then you can get unreasonably jealous. I mean, I'm an entertainer. I don't want someone who's too clingy. That's not what I want. Okay? I know that is the energy you bring, and that's not the kind of energy I want around me for the rest of my life.
I can't believe you say that to my face.
Human beings are dealing with reality. But would you have preferred I said that behind you? I'm telling you now, it's just you and I here. Okay? You're a good person, you have your good sides. But I also understand that you having a kid for me, that'll be me digging my own grave now. Huh? That'll be the end of me.
Wow.
What?
Sis, what is it? Leave me alone, babe. It's nothing. What are you thinking about? Nothing. Leave me alone. What? I should leave you alone like this. What is it now? Talk, Joe. What? It's about my boss. What about him? I don't know. I can't explain these feelings I'm having for him. Like, I don't know. I can see through you. You're developing this deep emotional attachment towards him, right? Or what attachment? There's no attachment. Since you're in love. What? You're in love with your boss. No, I'm not. You're keeping secrets from me. What secrets? Please, I'm late for work. I need to go to work. Which kind of love? Go. Just say it, you're in love. Stop, Jerry. That's your business. But since you're in love. No one can say you. My sister is in love. Okay.
Why are you coming to work by this time?
I'm sorry, ma. But ma, you saw what I went through yesterday. Attending to all your friends that came for the party. I got home late, so I overslept.
And that's supposed to be an excuse. Like a logical excuse. You're meant to be here by
7 a.m. on my way.
What's the time? It's past 10.
I'm sorry, ma, but I already explained what happened. But it will never happen again. I'm sorry, ma.
See, let this be the last time you come to work late. Is that clear? Yeah. Now go inside and make me breakfast.
Sorry, ma.
Maid! Maid! This girl. Maid!
Ma!
Where are you?
Ma, I'm here. Sorry, ma. Ma, please, my name is Anita, not Maid.
Whatever. Please, I'm hungry. Go make me something to eat now.
Okay, ma. But please, ma, I was actually doing something before you called, so just give me 10 minutes. I'll make the food.
Sorry, I didn't hear you well. Give you what? Are you mad? Such guts! The temerity, are you okay? 10 minutes! Can you imagine? The guts! 10 minutes! Hello, baby. Can you imagine? I just asked this maid to make me something to eat, and she said I should give her 10 minutes! 10 whole minutes! By then I would have been dead now. Eh? What? I don't understand. That I should stop calling you baby in front of a staff? What? That I'm grumpy? And that's why you can't be with me? You know what, Gbenga? You're the one that is grumpy. You're mad, you're rude, you're stupid. You know what? I can get myself anything I want to eat. I'm going to buy myself food. What nonsense. I beg. Some of you are mad in this house. I'm going to get myself food. Stupid people. Nonsense.
I haven't seen Aries since I came in here. Where is she?
Oh, she went to her house. I told her to go spend some time at her place. She's been here for a week. And I wouldn't want her to get too attached. So I told her to go. You come, you stay, you go, you come, you stay. Not you come, stay here. What's that?
Gbenga Peters!
Listen, I do.
This man. He always send these ladies away. But let me tell you this. A time will come when you will need someone to be with.
But relax, that time is never going to come. I have told you that I'm not looking to get married. I don't need it.
But you want kids?
Oh, of course, yeah. Sure.
So how do you intend to do that? Just get one random babe and impregnate her?
That happens too, but I'm not going that route because I'm not that interested in baby mama wahala. I'll just get a surrogate, do my business, and I'm out.
Sorry, what?
Surrogacy, that's the in thing. That's what gentlemen like me do. You know, I pay someone to carry my child and pop the child out. Hand my child over to me, and you carry your wahala and move and take care of my child.
Wait, you're joking, right?
I'm serious.
Okay. with how demanding your job is, how do you intend to achieve that?
I have structures in place. Oh, but you're exposed now. You travel the world. A lot of single fathers all over the world doing just fine with being a single parent. You know, taking care of their child and still getting the bag or doing their job. So don't begin to think that if you don't have a woman in your life, you cannot raise a child. That's not true.
Bro.
Well,
Listen. Why do you hate women this much?
I don't hate women. My mother is a woman. You know, I have 2 lovely sisters abroad. You know, I just can't trust them. That's it.
I just hope you know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing. Believe me.
Gbenga Peters.
Don't cry more than the bereaved now.
Surrogate?
Hello. You must be new.
Yes, ma.
What is your name?
Anita, ma. Ma, how can I help you?
I'm here to see my son, Gbenga Peters.
Oh my goodness, Mrs. Peters. It's a pleasure to meet you. Please come in.
Is it in?
Oh yes, I'll get it.
Excuse me? What are you doing here?
Hello, sir. I'm here so that we can talk.
When did you get back to the country?
Exactly two days ago.
And you decided that your first stop would be my house.
Honey, please. I'm here so that we can talk. I have a lot to talk
Please leave
about.
my house. Stop coming here. I have told you to stop coming to me. Stop coming to my house.
You can't.
I don't want to see you.
You can't keep doing this to me.
You can't keep showing up here.
I'm your mother.
I don't care. The next time you come here without telling me, I'm going to throw you out like a stranger.
Please, son, please. I beg you, you can't keep doing this to me.
I am not ready for the theatrics, all right? Please move.
Please.
Don't make me push you out.
Don't do this to me.
How exactly did this woman get in this house? I'm asking you.
Sir, she said she's your mother and I let her.
Did you ask me? I'm going to deal with you later. Please. Don't make me push you.
Sir, please. Gbenga, please.
Move! Do you know why the last maid lost her job? She kept letting that woman in. Without my consent, she did it the first time. I let it slide. She did it the second time. I let it slide the third time. I told her to get her things and get out of my house. Now you have 2 strikes. This is the first. The next time it happens, you find yourself on the street. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Sis, welcome.
Thank you.
What? Was that your boss that just dropped you off?
No, it was his mother.
His mother came.
My sister, you see all these celebrities there, they have their own baggages. It's only when you get close that you see that it's not all rosy and perfect for them.
What happened?
Can you believe that this guy's mother came to see him?
Okay.
He needed to see how this guy treated his mother. He practically asked her to get out of his house.
His own mother?
He even threatened to fire me if I ever let her into the house again. That he fired his last maid for the same reason.
What happened?
I don't know what happened and I don't care. It's the mother we're talking about here now. Somebody that carried him for 9 months and nursed him. It's not nice.
There's always something with this guy.
He's just so mean and rude to everyone. How can somebody be that bitter?
After now, if you see him in the movie, he will look as if he has sense, but he doesn't have sense. What kind of woman being is this?
Yeah, I felt pity for the woman. She left the house in tears.
So how come she's the one that dropped you off?
Well, she waylaid me on my way back from work that she wanted to talk about her son.
So did she tell you what happened between them?
No, she didn't tell me. She was just asking questions about him, like, who is he seeing, what is he up to, and all that. And I didn't have any answer for her because I honestly don't know anything about this guy.
I guess she's just trying to be closer to her son. It's fine, so how was work?
How was which work?
It's fine, sis.
Oh. What's up now? You be so quiet. What's the problem?
Is this Gbenga surrogate matter?
And what about it?
He has not gotten the right woman.
Gbenga, this thing is very simple. Now you guys can do is look for a random girl. How far? Connect. Get a egg. Sharp.
You think it's that easy, you know? All the people coming, he's not okay with them. He's saying that if he cannot connect to the mother, how will he connect to the child? He wants a lady that he likes.
Gbenga wala. Well, it's still simple. Aries is there. Aries can do the job.
Aries. Gbenga said that Aries will demand for marriage, wedding. Aries will want the necessary things to be done. Besides, Aries is close to him.
You're right.
And Gbenga wants to be the sole parent. He wants to be in charge of the child alone.
Gbenga, you're right there, bro. Aries to do. Aries get wala. Aries, I wala too much. She to do. Well, that's the problem. How far now? How far for that deal now? Give me this deal. Hey.
Yeah. Let me just make the call now.
I beg.
I'm not your agent. I'm just trying to help.
Guy, it's too much. I beg. What's up?
The guy, that guy is the chairman of that estate, and
you understand. I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I never let go. I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I never let go. But I try every day. Can you just feel
Today is my off day now. Why is he calling me again?
Who is that?
My boss.
You had better pick that call before he starts.
Hello, good morning, sir. But sir, today is my off day. Okay, sir. My problem is this now. Somebody cannot rest.
It's fine, sis. Just try and dress up. Just manage.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You look different today.
Thank you, sir. Sir, is everything okay?
Oh yeah, everything's fine. I'm just thinking that you should look this way more often, you know.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
bought you something. That's for you. Go ahead, take it.
Thank you, sir.
That's for the job you do around here. With so much steadfastness and diligence, I see you, and I just want to appreciate you with that gift. And also tell you that if you ever need anything, do not hesitate to come to me. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Let me get back to work.
By all means.
So you mean your boss gave you this gift just like that?
Well, he gave me this really expensive perfume, as you can see. And I was really surprised though. I'm like, eh?
Maybe he's trying to say that you smell.
Do I smell?
I'm joking. I'm joking. You don't. I'm sorry.
Well, funny thing is that my boss is not someone to say anything indirectly. He says things as they are. You know how much he yaps those my shoes?
Those your smelly shoes.
It's be nice. But these days I only wear those shoes to work just to annoy him.
Okay, this one I can't mouse love. I wish I know the entire another thing.
Another thing, okay. Have you seen his babe? You see, this guy will never ever look at somebody like me in this lifetime. So just forget that one, I beg.
Okay, maybe he's just trying to make up for, bringing you over to his house on your off day, making you to clean his shoes, and even asking you to microwave food that is already in the microwave.
No, now that you talk about it, that thing is still paining me to date. I mean, how can somebody be so heartless and inconsiderate?
How can I get up? If not me, I go use those your smelling shoes, wipe him face. After that one, then I will microwave his face. Rubbish boy.
I just wish that he could have a taste of his own medicine, honestly.
And he can better leave a bitter taste in his mouth.
Yeah. How far are your O&D? Did you pass?
It's not out yet. Just keeping my fingers crossed.
Well, you have to pass. So at least one of us goes to school.
Sis, it's ending, not certificates.
Well, you have to further your education. I mean, you can't do anything with O&D in this country.
But sis, have you even thought about it? Even if I pass, how am I going to pay my tuition fee, my feeding, my accommodation? Like, how am I going to do that?
I paid for your ND, right? So don't worry about that. God will provide.
Okay, if you say so. Sis, remember I'm sharing this perfume with you.
Near this thing you will see.
Baby, try it touch.
Don't go and worry about it. I'm here, I'm looking for perfume.
Hey!
Yeah, who is it? Oh, you. You're here?
Yeah.
Wow, where have you been? What are you doing here?
You miss me?
Hmm?
Anyways, I forgive you.
What are you trying to do?
Oh, come on.
Slow down. What exactly are you trying to do? What is this?
You tell me.
No, you tell me. You see, I know you. You show up here trying to touch me. Are you trying to get me in bed with you?
Is it a bad thing?
Oh, it's a bad thing now. Don't play with me. I can't have kids with you. You're doing this because you know that I am looking to get someone to carry my baby as a surrogate. But your plan is to get in bed with me so that you can pin me down with a child.
Oh, come on, Gbenga. How can you accuse me of such?
Because I know you, that's why.
But so?
So what? I can't have kids with you because I'm not looking to have a lifelong problem named Aries. Okay?
Gbenga, I made you the star that you are today. I put you up there.
Right.
Yes.
And that gives you the right to a child from me?
You're so mean. Gbenga, you're wicked. That's why your life is so shitty. Yes.
See who's talking. Get out of my house. Please leave. Good riddance. Yeah, thank you. Come, please, come sit down. Sit with me, please. Let's watch this movie together, come, please.
Sir, I have something doing in the
I know
kitchen.
you're not doing anything in the kitchen, okay? You're just a bit uncomfortable around me, and I understand that. I mean, given the fact that I've been a bit tough on you, I get it. But please just sit, okay? Come on, please. Thank you. Okay. So this one is titled My Wife, My Life, directed by one of the best in the business, Ugezu. I call him my man. Yeah. It's a story about a man who stood up against all odds to defend his wife, a woman that he loves. You know how they say that the family that you create is more important than the one that you're coming from. All of that plays out in this movie, powered by one of the foremost filmmakers in Nollywood. His name is Remy Jazz. Chief Rob Emeka Eze, I don't know if you know him. RJP Films. So we went all the way to the east to make this one Oba in Anambra State. You would like it? You're crying. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Have we made you teary? I'm really sorry.
No, sir. The movie is just so beautiful. It left with a lot of emotions.
So what's your favorite part in the movie?
I mean, the movie is so nice. Especially the part where the mother set a trap for the daughter-in-law but fell into it and died.
Eesh.
I just couldn't.
I know.
Sorry, sir. You're talking too much.
No, you're not actually. It's okay. Who's at the door? See who's at the door.
Are you trying to stop me to see my son?
What son? How many times have I told you, Mom, to stop coming here?
It's my birthday, sir.
Do you want this to get to a point where you show up here and I push you out?
At least you spend some time with me.
Why?
I'm your mother.
You stopped being my mother a long time ago.
But it's her birthday.
And so what? You want to join her out?
See, I got us pizza like all times.
Please leave my house.
Some things. Don't do this to me, please.
Leave my house.
I'm your mother. Please. No, please, I'm sorry. My job is at stake.
Don't do this to me. Please.
No, please.
Son. Why you do this to me?
Now. My job is at stake here.
Please. Why you do this to me? It's my birthday. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What is it? Why are you so happy?
Yes.
What is it?
I passed my ND exam and I'm going for my HND.
Oh my god, I'm happy for you.
Thank you, sis. Thank you. Sis, what is it? You don't look happy.
It's just that I know your tuition fee and your hostel fee is high. And also the rent is about to expire. You know what? Don't worry about it. I'll figure it out. When do you resume?
It's next month.
Next month? The rent is expiring next month too. Just don't worry. I'll figure it out. Don't worry. I'll figure it out.
Is there any problem at work? You don't look happy.
It's just my boss.
What happened?
He was so mean to his mother today, and today is her birthday. Only for me to hear him crying in his room.
Yeah. What could she have done to him that made him hate her that much?
I don't know. I don't know why he keeps hurting himself like that.
But why do you suddenly care?
Care?
Yes?
No, I don't care. I just feel bad for him.
I hope you're not liking him. You're liking him?
No, I'm not. What are you saying? Just sit down.
Okay, well, you're liking your boss. No wahala.
Yes. I hear you. What do you mean you are still gathering the balls to ask her? Omo, just ask her. Not you be Gbenga Peters again? Superstar? Bro, just ask her. You said she's the best choice and you believe she's going to keep to her own side of the deal. So ask her, tell her what it stands to benefit and all that. Yes. Ask her. No time. Yes, I first make I come meet you for set, but I don't want to disturb you, so make I just go house. Then later in the evening, I'll come to the house. All right now, okay, all right. Gather the balls and do the asking. All the best.
Can you please sit?
So is everything okay?
Not quite. I'm sick. And the doctors have told me that I do not have a lot of time left.
I'm sorry, sir.
I'm scared. Worried about so many things. A lot of uncertainties. But what worries me most is that I don't have a child. You know, I don't have a child anywhere in the world. It would be just bad if I die without my own child. Don't you think so?
I'm sorry, sir, but I don't know why you're telling me all this.
I'm telling you this because I need your help.
How?
The doctors say that as the illness progresses, it's most likely to damage my reproductive organs, and that also includes my sperm count. So if I don't have a child now, I may never be able to have my own child.
So is it cancer?
Well, yeah, you can call it that. Unfortunately.
Are you going to die?
I hope I don't. But while I'm alive, I should make the best of it. Don't you think so?
Yes, sir. But I don't know what this has to do with me.
I need you to help me carry my child.
Sir.
Just one child. Please.
Sir.
Annette. I'm begging you.
I'm sorry, sir. I cannot do that, please.
This plea is coming from a man who is dying. I'm willing to pay you the sum of 5 million naira.
5 million naira?
Yes. Listen, I don't want to die without having a child. And I have the options of getting someone else to do this, but I've been here with you. I see you, I know that you're good-natured. And if I'm going to bring a child into this world, I want that baby to be just like you.
Sir, I cannot do it. I'm sorry.
Please.
Sir, please, I'm sorry. I cannot do it. I have work to do, sir. Please.
I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I need to let go. But I try every day. Can you just feel my heart? I try every day.
Wait, are you kidding me or something? Does he want to marry you or what?
He just wants me to carry his child. That's all he said.
But this guy is really something else. So, how did he go from hating you to wanting you to carry his child? I mean, he went from 0 to 100.
Can you imagine? He even offered to pay me.
How much?
5 million.
5 million what?
Yes. Yeah, but I cannot imagine myself carrying a child for somebody I barely know. But at the same time, I feel like a bad person now. He's dying, and that's why he wants me to carry his child.
Oh my God. Is he sick?
Yes, he has cancer.
Oh, now I know.
Look, I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. And I feel so sorry for him.
Wait, are you guys going to do it the normal way or?
I didn't wait to hear the details. I just dashed out.
5 million naira is a huge amount of money. What? I'm not in support of this, honestly.
I'm not in support of it too. But the money is quite enticing, and besides, it's sick.
You're really thinking about it?
No, I just feel bad for him, that's all.
So are you going to consider it?
There's nothing to consider here. I won't do it. He might as well just ask his girlfriend. Why is he asking me?
And probably there's a reason why he didn't ask her. Maybe you should just find time and speak to him and know why he chose you instead of her.
Hey.
Good morning, sir.
You're here?
Yes, sorry about the other day.
Oh, that's fine. I never thought I would see you again.
I just needed time to think.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So can we talk?
Oh yeah, yes, please, we can.
Why didn't you ask Aries?
She can't have kids. Now that's a secret. It's not something that, we like to put out there, but it's unfortunate. She can't have kids. And I'm trusting that you keep this to yourself.
I'm sorry about that. But I'm sure there's somebody else you can ask.
No one but you, baby. It's just you I can trust. I'm sorry.
You trust me?
Yeah, if I'm ever going to have a child this way, I'd like to do that with someone who's caring, who's cultured, good-natured like yourself. I want my child to turn out right, with the right genes. So, yeah, you.
So what are your terms?
Surrogacy. You donate the eggs and...
You mean I would donate my egg, have the child, and then leave it?
Yeah, that's the deal. I'm sorry. This is the best I can offer right now.
No, sir, I'm sorry. I can't abandon my child.
Please, I need your help. This just might be my only chance at having a child. Anita, if something happens to me today and I die, it's over. I'm the only child of my parents. If I die without having a child, my whole lineage is over. Please, my hopes are in your hands. Do you understand how serious this is for me?
Sir, I don't know. I can't abandon my child. I mean, what if you die? Who will now take care of my baby?
Okay, well, I'll put structures in place for all of that. I tell you this. No one has to know you're doing this. You get it? It could be a secret between you and myself. You're going to be carrying my child. You live here. When the child is born, you give me my baby. You can even get married and move on with your life if you want.
You're avoiding the question, sir.
I'll speak my truth, and my truth is that I'd like to have my child to myself. Take care of my child. As much as I will take care of you when you're carrying this child, I'll treat you like a queen. I'll give you 5 million naira like I promised. But I'll treat you well. Please.
If I say yes, how long will the pregnancy part take?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Depending on how fertile you are. 2 weeks.
Okay, can I at least live by it for a while?
Okay. That works too. But don't take too much time because the doctors say I don't have much time.
I'll try not to.
Thank you. In anticipation. I have a few things to do in town. I'll just head out and I'll be back.
Okay, sir.
You take care of the house, okay? Thank you. Oh, you, hey. What, you're leaving already?
Oh, yes, I'm done for today.
I see you're leaving, okay.
Yes. So you haven't been home in 2 days?
Oh yeah, that's because I've been pursuing something really, really big. Yes. I have been pursuing this very big movie role on an international project and I just bagged it.
Oh, congrats.
Yes, I was just coming back home to, celebrate. I didn't know I would meet you here, but since you're here, why not share this drink with me?
So, are you sure it's safe for you to drink? I mean, considering your situation.
What situation?
The cancer.
Oh, that. I remember now. It's just that I am. This is okay. Doctor says this is okay as long as it's not a regular habit. Plus, I haven't really started my treatment. I'm scared.
So sorry, sir.
Thank you. So I can drink.
I'll just get you a glass.
2 glasses, please. You drink with me. I insist. Please, come on. Ooh, sir. There you are. Ladies first, huh? There you go. Come sit beside me. It's okay, come on. That's right. Soft.
Sir, it's late. I need to go.
It's okay. My driver will drop you off. Okay?
Okay.
See what you've done to me, pretty. Eh? Now you have to save me.
There is no saving you here.
You have to save me, baby.
You have to save yourself.
How?
I don't know.
Find a way to save me. I am beyond it. What? You want another drink?
Oh, no.
You want a drink? Yeah, you do.
I think I have to go now.
No, you can't go. You can't leave me by myself now. Come on.
You can take care of yourself.
No, I can't. What am I going to do without you? No. What? What are you doing? What? You want to leave me here by myself? Come on now. Don't leave me. Huh? See. What? What?
This shouldn't be happening.
Why? See how beautiful you look. Listen, let me tell you something. You are the finest woman in the world.
No, I'm not.
They don't tell you? You are the most beautiful woman I have seen all my life. I'm telling you.
That is not true.
Just let me kiss you. This feels really, really good. What?
I don't think this should be happening.
Why? Let's let it happen.
Sir, wake up.
Yeah.
Sir.
Am I naked? Did we do something? Huh?
I should be asking you that, sir.
What is going on? Why am I naked? What happened?
I don't know. I also woke up naked. I just got dressed for.
I am still naked! Oh! How did I fall for this? Oh, I should have known. I should have known that you have been up to something. You did this. Boy, you did this. You set me up. You set me up to sleep with.
What?
Yes, that's what you've done.
Are you serious? What you? I didn't do that.
What you did what? I mean, what is this? I know your type. I know your type. You're just like every other girl on the street looking for the next big shot to hump, and I fell for it. Damn!
You're such a terrible person, Mr. Peters. You know, I hate myself for ever thinking that you were a good person. And I was even considering carrying your child for you, but no child deserves to have a father like you.
You come back here! Come back here! What?
Sis, you know you don't have to blame yourself, right? I mean, you both were drunk. And he's the man here. He shouldn't blame you for his responsibilities.
I should have never had that drink with him. I mean, you know how I get with alcohol. I shouldn't have drunk with him. Someone is at the door. Go and check who it is.
Okay.
Who's that?
It's Gbenga Peters. He said he's sorry. He has trust issues. That was why he acted the way he did. And he's also pleading that you should please come back to work.
Well, you will go back to that door and you will tell him that his apology has been accepted. But you should never show his face here again. Go! And make sure you lock the door.
Okay. I can't believe he actually came here. I mean, I could see true sincerity in his eyes. He must truly like you.
I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I need to let go. But I try every day.
Thank you. Anita. I cannot pretend not to have noticed that you have been cold towards me lately, and whatever it is, I want you to know that I'm sorry, okay? Please.
So please, I'm here because I need the money, so please, let me do my job.
I appreciate that you're doing your work and you're doing it so well. Oh, please, consider my plea. Please.
I'm not interested. You can get someone else to have your child.
Please.
Excuse me, sir.
Anita.
Good morning.
Anita, good morning. Please sit. I want to talk to you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, I want to tell you something. I have decided that you be a part of the child's life. Because every child needs their mother, and it's a beautiful thing to see.
Thank you.
Yeah, but the child stays with me. You can come and visit as often as you want.
But you know it's my child too.
I'm sorry, but that's the best deal I can offer.
I don't have to accept your offer, you know, right? I can just walk away.
Don't make this harder than it is already, Anita. Please just take the deal.
Well, I'm one to keep to my words, so I accept your offer, as long as I can be a part of my child's life.
That's good.
Yeah, I'll get back to work now.
Sis, what is it?
I don't know. I've just been feeling weird and tired for some days now.
Could it be something you ate?
I don't know.
Okay, you know what? Just stay here. Let me go get some drugs for you. Sis! Oh my God, let me call your boss. What did you save his number with? What did you save his number with? Oh my God.
Who's this? IJ. Is everything okay? What? Hold on, say that again. What happened? What? She passed out. How? Okay, slow down. You should take it easy. I know that this is not how we had planned for this news to break. I also know that this is not your plan for your life. But your reality is that you're pregnant. And I am happy I'm happy about it. It's good news.
Also now it's good news. 2 weeks ago you were accusing me of taking advantage of you, and now I'm pregnant and it's suddenly good news?
I know. And I have been apologizing to you, but you wouldn't let me get across to you.
How could you accuse me of taking advantage of you? You're the person that made me drink that night. Did you forget that?
I know. I know. And for that, I am terribly sorry. Please, Anita. I'm sorry. Okay? You're pregnant.
And so what?
And so you need to be taken care of. You know? Someone has to look after you. And I'm willing to have you move into my home until the baby comes.
No, I will not do that. Never.
Why? Why would you not let me take care of you? I'm the father of this child you're carrying. It's my responsibility to look after you.
And what makes you think you're the father of my child?
But I have to be the father. I mean, I like to think that I'm the only one who's...
Oh, please. You know what? If we are going to do this, it has to be by my own rules.
It's okay. Whatever you say.
Good day, ma.
Anita, good day. Is my son in?
No, he's not.
You know, I've not seen him for a while now. Sometimes I used to park outside, out of sight, just to have a glimpse of him.
Ma, he went to the hospital.
He went to the hospital. Why? Is he sick? Huh?
Ma, I shouldn't be telling you this. I mean, it's not my right to say this.
Anita, speak up. What are you not telling me? What is going on?
Ma, your son is sick. He has cancer.
How? What? Oh my God. I lost my husband. Now I'm about to lose my only son, Anita. Anita, please. Anita, please. You have to talk to him. I know you're very close to him. You just have to talk to him. I need to be there for him. Anita, please. I beg you in the name of God. You shouldn't have said what. Now you keep me in the dark. You know you will never tell me anything. I'm glad you told me. Anita, please help me. I have to be there for him. I need to take care of him. He needs to forgive me. Anita, please.
I'll talk to him. I'll talk to him. Don't worry, I'll help you and talk to him. I'm not telling you or anything. Now, before he gets back, I'll talk to him. Sorry.
Mom, please, what is this? What do you think? Can you just please get up?
Please, son.
Just get up, please.
You can't be angry with me forever. Please. I know you're sick.
What?
Do you want to keep me in the dark?
Sick? Who told you I'm sick? I'm not sick. I'm fine. What are you talking about?
Please, let me be there for you. You need me. You can't fight cancer alone. No, you can't. You can't.
I don't have cancer, okay? Just get up.
What?
I don't have cancer. Where did you get that from?
You lied to me?
You know what? I can explain this, okay?
How can you even lie about something like that?
Just calm down. Please, all right? Let me explain.
You know what? You're just so despicable.
see what you cost? You see what you cost?
How is this my fault, son? How is it my fault now? Which kind of problem? What kind of problem is this? How is this one my fault? Oh God. Oh God.
I'm sorry you had to find out that way. I didn't know what to do. That's the only way I knew to get you to agree to surrogacy. I'm sorry.
You know what, Gbenga? I am done with you. You lied to me. You deceived me.
Look, I'm sorry. I'm just desperate. Okay?
Why? Why are you so desperate to have a child? You're so young. Look, Gbenga, I hate it when people lie to me, and you have just done that.
I understand that.
You had all the time to tell me the truth, but you didn't.
Look, I was not thinking.
I don't trust you. I mean, at this point, I am scared for my child and myself. How could you lie like that?
Sorry. I'm really sorry.
Look, do you know how many people die of cancer daily, and you're here joking with it?
Yeah, I understand that too, but look, that is not intention at all. You will not understand. Please.
I would never understand. I won't. Wait. The issue about Aries not being able to have a child.
Oh.
Is that a lie too?
Yeah, I lied.
You're just so mean and so despicable!
Are you okay?
No, I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
We'll have food in the kitchen now, don't we?
I don't know. I want to eat jollof rice.
Okay, go and make it now. We'll have stuff in the kitchen.
I cannot even stand up from here. My whole body is paining me. I can't go and make anything.
So what do we do now?
Help me and make it.
That's not possible. You know I'm going out. I'm dressed to go out. I have a meeting.
So your meeting is more important than the baby, right?
The meeting is also important because when this child comes, the child will have to feed.
You can go for your meeting tomorrow now. Right now I'm hungry and I need to eat.
So, tomorrow?
I don't know. I want to eat, please. Jollof rice.
Okay, just call, place an order. I can do that for you. They just deliver the jollof rice here. Jollof rice, assume, or what else?
I want to eat homemade food. I don't want to order.
But are you implying that I take off my clothes and begin to go to the kitchen to make this food?
The baby is implying it's not me.
Ha! Wow.
No, wait.
What?
I don't want jollof rice again. I want straw soup and bread.
What?
The baby wants straw soup and bread.
Bread and draw soup.
Yes.
From where to how?
It's the baby, it's not me.
What is the link?
Me too, I don't know. Ask the baby, it's not me. Go now.
So I should go make draw soup now?
Yes.
It's okay.
Thank you.
What kind of bread? Sliced bread?
Anyone is fine.
All right.
Wait. Sorry. He just whispered something to me again. He said he wants pepper soup and dog meat. Oh, now I'm hungry.
Dog meat pepper soup?
Yes.
You want dog meat pepper soup?
It's not me now. It's the baby that is saying all these things. It's not me. I'm just interpreting.
This baby has suffered. In your hands.
No.
I can tell that this baby right now is turning inside your womb.
It's not your womb, so just can make
Yes,
it
because
worse.
the kind of missiles you're sending to this baby with all your lies, the baby just they dodge left, right, and center. What are you talking about? Everything, the baby. You won't let me go out, you say the baby?
It's the baby.
So that now this baby, can this baby recognize a dog if the baby sees a dog? To know that
Just leave
They
it.
want to eat dog meat.
That's what he said. I don't know what you're talking about. That's what I heard.
How does the baby know what a dog is?
He knows. I don't know. Me too. I don't know. Ask it. Go and make the food now. We are hungry.
I got you pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I got you pregnant.
Thank you. Please hurry up, oh.
I try every day. It's more than what you see. I try every day. And someone
My waist.
Hey! What is it? What?
My waist.
Uh-huh.
My waist is spinning me. My waist.
Your waist. Stop shouting now. Oh, I can't sleep. Sorry. Sorry.
My leg.
Your leg.
Massage my leg. Massage it. My leg.
What is it now?
My leg is spinning me.
Sorry. Your stomach. How can the baby kick you? So what do we do? Can we bring the baby out? Sorry, you're back. You're back.
Yes, my back. My back. It's not my waist, my back. Up.
Okay, you're back. Sorry.
Massage my back.
Sorry, now I'm massaging you.
You're sleeping. Massage it very well.
This has been your plan all along, you two-faced sliming bitch. I'm talking to you.
What is it? Look, what is your problem? What was that for?
You've gone nuts. So you think you can have my man?
Did you say your man? Wow. Tell me, how come I'm the one carrying the child? Oh, can't you see?
Oh, get it!
Let me tell you something. I am no longer the girl that you and Gbenga were messing around with. I am carrying his child. And if it's paining you, go to hell, because I don't care. Now get out. Get out!
You've not seen the last of me. You must be joking. You must be high on something. I'm going to meet Gbenga. Confront him for this nonsense.
Oh, please, get out.
I'll be back.
Please, don't bother coming back. See ya. Never. Nonsense. You said you're who again?
Gloria Wadima, a professional maid. Your husband hired me to come and take care of you. You know, as a busy actor, he doesn't have time to look after you. Like all those massage and cooking for you. See, madam, for food, you don't get wahala. Me, I be intercontinental chef. I don't work for you both people before. If na uba, that one, you don't get problem. If no poroko, I be ofaku. You know intercontinental dish. Where they fried rice now? Where they use uba they cook? If I cook and finish, you go chop and bite your finger. You don't get problem. I go massage you well. Make I show you something. Say, maybe to they talk too much. You see, I know they talk too much. I just want to show you, say, what you know even there. Yeah? Oh, I talk something. Madam, you don't get fear. I go take care of you well.
No, my leg is spinning me.
I just got back.
My leg is spinning me.
Get the maid to do that.
Is that why you hired her? Come now. Come on, massage my leg. My waist, the baby is moving. Come on. My waist, my leg. Both of them are paining me. Massage my
Where?
My waist.
Okay, sorry. It's okay, sorry. What kind of problem is this now? I just got back from work. Sorry. Is that okay?
Yes.
Is that fine?
Yes.
What? Is everything okay?
Yes.
So what's that sound?
What sound?
I heard you.
That wasn't me. That was the baby doing that. Of course, that was.
Really?
Yes. Why are you laughing?
No, it's the baby making the sound.
That's not how it sounds. It's the baby that is cussing.
What?
The baby. That's
the baby, right?
Yes.
It's okay. How do you feel?
Good.
You see what you're doing?
What?
I think you're enjoying this too much. If you're enjoying it, enjoy it, Joe. Why are you making a face? So you were missing me all this while I was out. Why are you pretending? I'm going to leave this leg and go upstairs.
Sorry.
So were you missing me or not? You were
Jesus. Hey, Jesus, she's here. Look at, she's here. She's here. Can't you see?
Madam, are you okay? I'm not seeing anything.
Please come with that. Look at her now. Can't you see her?
Grandmother.
She's here. I don't know. She has problem with strangers. It's you. She does not like me.
Hey,
Look at her. You see fire. I say, want to vomit fire. Run the fire.
I'm not seeing anything. Madam, I'm not seeing anything.
She's about to vomit fire. Fire indeed. What are you doing here? The fire! Fire, boy, you run on fire!
Oh boy. I'm tired. Gloria! Where is this girl now?
She packed her bags and ran off.
What?
She ran off.
What, just like that?
I don't know. That's what happened.
Annette, did you kick that girl out of this house just so that she can continue to frustrate me?
How can you even say that to me now? How can you say that? Look, I know you're tired of me. Just tell me. I'm a burden to you. How can you tell me that? I mean, I've been hungry. I cannot do anything because my leg is swollen. How can you say that?
Your leg?
Yes.
It's not your leg.
You're belittling my pain. I'm telling you that my leg is paining me. You're telling me how I feel.
Okay, sorry now. Hi, sorry. What? Sorry. What do you want? Sorry.
I want my moi.
I
want my moi.
From where? What's that face for? But I just got home. You want me to go to the kitchen to make my moi now? Okay, don't cry. It's fine, I'll go and make it. Oh, Lord.
I know that you're going to order the food, but shall I order sweet one? Or else I'll ask for monkey tail next.
What's your plan? You want to kill me? Oh, it's the baby. Not you.
Go and get the moi moi now. Do you want to make monkey tail?
What kind of trouble is this? What?
Bro.
Let's go.
You took long to dress up. Are you a woman?
I didn't notice so. Are you serious?
Of course. You've been distracted lately, and that is because of that girl.
What girl? What are you talking about?
Come on. Are you in love? I know you are.
With who?
That girl.
Oh boy, stop, I beg. How can you call that love? I just think it's gratitude. If you ask me.
If that is what you tell yourself to help you sleep well at night, so be it. But I put it to you, bro. You are in love.
See wahala.
I know.
Is this how love feels? I don't know, but I don't think I am the kind of man that is cut out for love. Can I trust women? You know these women are not trustworthy now. Come on, you know this thing.
But you trust her well enough to carry your baby, right?
Okay, that's below the belts.
Let's go.
Where could they go?
See your head, you're crazy.
Look into my eyes and tell me you understand. I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend.
Good morning.
There's a pain inside that I never let go. I'm alone in this world.
Did you sleep well?
I cannot pretend.
Yes, I did. But this is happening more often.
Well, let's just say that I enjoy the idea of sleeping and waking up next to you every morning.
I think I need to use the restroom.
You're running. Don't run. You don't have to run. I know that you see what's happening here, but I want you to know that it's not one-sided. Okay? I'm in this with you.
But sir, you're way out of my league.
She calls me sir. Still.
I mean, it would be delusional of me to think that I would ever end up with someone like you. Well, I'm just trying. So how are you?
Nice. you're good. Hope you're strong.
That's nice. That's nice.
What is this? Anita?
Please, son.
What is going on in my house? Why is she here?
She came to visit and I couldn't send her away.
Son, very soon you will become a father, and then you will understand how it feels for your child to who hates for you, you know.
That would not be me, because I'm never going to be the kind of parent that you are.
I was a good parent to you, Gbenga. I gave you everything.
And you ended up giving me nothing. Stop with the blackmail and get out of my house.
Please forgive her.
You flouted my instruction. I gave an instruction. And then you have the audacity to think that you can now involve yourself in my private life. Do you know my pain? I'm asking you.
Gbenga, she's my friend. And she's going to be coming to visit me. So now you deal with that.
In my house. Is this a joke? Huh?
I have no parents. I lost both my parents when I was very young. And here you have your mother coming here every day to beg you, yet you have refused to forgive her. What did she do that is so bad that you cannot even just forgive her?
My father died because of this woman. She killed my father. I don't want to come back here and find this woman here. If I do, I'll throw the both of you out of my house. And I mean it. No, my father was a very good man. He loved me. Loved me so much. He loved my sister and I with everything he had. I have two sisters, oh yes, I do. I have two sisters, they live abroad now. You know, we're one beautiful family, very sweet family. You know, growing up was good. My father was a provider, God-fearing man, loved his kids, loved his wife. And everything was good until he found out that I wasn't his, and that's when everything changed.
You weren't his. How? I don't understand.
Apparently, my mother had been frolicking with one of her friends for years. No one knew about it. So she got pregnant. for the said man and passed the pregnancy to my father. And one day my father found out that my other sister and myself are not his. He was heartbroken, had a heart attack, and died. He died from the pain of betrayal from my mother. But today my mother travels from one child's house to the other, one family member to another, soliciting for peace, trying to win people's empathy. But she killed my father. And that experience scarred me for life. And that is why I don't believe in women. That's why I do not believe in marriage. But you see, as I got older, I realized that it is imperative that I have my own child. I thought long and hard on how best to achieve it. And then I came up with this surrogacy idea because I want to be sure that it will be my sperm that fertilizes the egg that brings forth a child that will be called mine. I'm sorry, Anita, I'm sorry I lied to you, but I'm a man who's broken, and I just felt that the story of me dealing with cancer would soften your heart and sway you into agreeing to do what exactly I want you to do. I did not plan for this to blow up this way. But I'm a young man who is damaged and dealing with a lot. If you choose not to forgive me, I can understand. But if you empathize with me and understand where I'm coming from, and give me this child, I'll be eternally grateful.
Gbenga, you're not a damaged man. And I understand you.
I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I need to let go. I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I need to let go.
I can tell you that I've just had one of the best times of my life. And it's with you.
Me too. For the second time with the Gbenga Peters.
Don't be nice. Don't try to be nice to me because you were just cussing me out and telling me, oh, press my back, press my back. Now you're trying to be nice. But this is good. I think I want this again.
The pregnancy?
No. I want us again.
Really?
Just to continue this way. Yeah, it's just beautiful. You know.
What is it? Is everything okay? Gbenga, I didn't do this. I told it we have an Instagram page.
But that page has your name on it. It has your photos on it.
This These pictures were obviously gotten from my Facebook page. I don't have an active Instagram page.
What do you want me to believe? First, you don't have an Instagram page. Now you don't have an active Instagram page. What is going on?
I did not do this. I promise I did not do this. I don't know. I didn't do this.
I trusted you. Everything that I told you about my mother and I, in confidence, they're out there. You're the only one that I told. So if you didn't do this, who did?
Gbenga, trust me. I did not do this. I promise I didn't do it. I don't know.
Does your sister have an active page?
Why would my sister frame you?
Okay, for money. Well, yeah.
You know, I can't believe you just said that. How could you even say that?
I can't believe I have been too blind to your hate. The way you have frustrated me with this pregnancy, I should have seen you coming. Oh, you're not different. You're like every other woman there. A wolf in sheep's clothing. You are insensitive, you are self-conceited, you're evil. You did this to me!
Gbenga, you know what? You go to hell. You are a broken man. Nobody can change you, not even a child. I'm done with this!
Can you just feel my heart? I try every day. It's more than what you see. I try every day. Can someone feel my heart? I try every day. It's more than what you see. Every day. Yes, I try. I try every day. 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 It's more than what you see.
See. What?
This shouldn't be happening.
Why? See how beautiful you look. Listen, let me tell you something. I'm sorry, Anita. I'm sorry I lied to you, but I'm a man who's broken, and I just felt that the story of me dealing with cancer would soften your heart and sway you into agreeing to do what exactly I want you to do. I did not plan for this to blow up this way. But I'm a young man who is damaged and dealing with a lot. If you choose not to forgive me, I can understand. But if you empathize with me and understand where I'm coming from, and give me this child, I'll be eternally grateful.
Gbenga, you're not a damaged man. And I understand you.
Why? Aries, why? I did my findings and I found out that you are the one who leaked all that information to the blogs, to the press, to the media, everyone. What have I done to you?
What? Oh, please.
Aries.
I won't apologize for shit. You treated me like trash and all I did was get even.
Why do you want to destroy me? Why do you want to destroy this image? This is a brand that you and I built together. Now you have not stopped there. You are dragging an innocent young girl into this. Why?
You see all of this? This larger-than-life image. I built it. And I can make all that go like this. I got a work offer for an international brand. Oh, what a better way to say goodbye.
But do you hate me this much? I'm asking you, Aries, what, you hate me this much? Aries, why do you have to do this?
Oh, please. Don't.
What about the news about my mother? How did you know about that?
You told me.
Me?
Yes.
How? When? Where?
Oh, well, we came home drunk. You were having an episode and you spilled your guts, calling your mom a wicked witch, a whore, severally. Yes.
Shit. Are you happy now with what you're doing?
Oh, please. All this will pass. For your information, all your male fans on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all on your side. Oh, they think your mother made you into the monster that you are.
And who cares? You are washing my dirty linens outside. Whatever happened between my mother and myself happened between us. It stays in the family. I never planned to embarrass my mother like this.
Oh, I wanted to treat you, pay you back in your own coin, the way you treated me. Yes, and I'm so happy the problem you created between you and your mate turned lover.
Don't bring her into this.
Oh, the damage has been done, my guy. And I'm happy being the puppeteer pulling the strings. Gbenga, I quit! Nonsense.
Aries.
Excuse me.
Sis, it's Gbenga Peters. I've been trying to let him leave, but he has refused to leave.
What is this?
Gbenga, what are you doing here?
I've come to ask your forgiveness.
Is that all?
Well, yes.
Okay, fine. You're forgiven. Now leave my house.
Come on, Anita, please.
Gbenga, leave my house. Get out!
It has not been easy with me. Life has been difficult since you left. It's been hard. I'm begging you, please.
Gbenga, you'll be fine. Now go and fix your house first. Leave. Gbenga, get out of my house now. Leave my house.
Please, Annette, come on. Let's talk.
Talk about what?
Sis, please. Please forgive me.
Get out. Can you please leave?
Sis, please.
Why did you let him in here?
He refused to leave, but please.
You will leave with him very soon.
I'm sorry.
How are you and the baby doing?
We're doing great.
I hope he's kicking well and all.
Yes, he is.
He will be strong like his father. Anita, I know it hurts you. See, I'm here on his behalf to ask you to forgive him. I want you in his life. You are a better woman than I will ever be.
Are you guys good now?
Yes, all thanks to you. He forgave me, even though he still keeps me at arm's length. I'm here on his behalf to plead to forgive him. Don't write him off because of this.
But Mama, he hurts me. He always mistrusts me.
It was my fault. I take the blame. Considering what transpired between his father and I am so ashamed of myself. Sometimes I wish I could turn back the hands of time. I know you genuinely love him. Gbenga loves you too. My son has never been crazy about any woman before. He's a good person, like his father, my husband. Please, give him a chance to make this right, please. Please. Please, 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 please.
Baby. I have never felt this way about anyone before. And that is how I know that I am not in your life to joke with you. I know that I love you. I can feel it. The signs are there. I carry you on my mind every day. You once told me that you do not think that you're in my league. But our reality, my love, is that you're way out of my league. I am trying to catch up with what you can give and all that you can be with me and for me. I have been rigid all my life because I'm scared. You know, I am still scared even as I sit here with you. I'm scared of falling. But I just want to know that even if I fall, you are going to catch me. I want you to promise me before I fall and there is no saving me that you are not going to betray this love if we agree to give it a chance.
I will never betray you, Gbenga. Never.
Are you sure? You don't know what that means to me. Thank you. Very few times in my life have I been comforted and assured and reassured. You have changed my outlook towards life and towards love. I never wanted to be in a relationship with anyone. But you have broken down those walls. And now I am a man who cannot imagine life without you. I am totally in love with you, Anita.
I love you too.
And we're expecting this beautiful baby. And I know that we're going to be great parents and we're going to love the hell out of this baby. Thank you for making me a father. I owe you a lot. But I promise you here and now that I am never going to hurt you like this again.
Please don't. My heart cannot take another heartbreak.
I love you so much, Anita. I love you more than I thought I would. I don't know what you've done to me, but you did it just right. And truth is, I'd like to spend the rest of my days here on earth with you. You know, playing pranks, pulling a few stunts, you know, making outrageous demands and telling me it's the baby and the hormones. I like it. I like it. It's really, really nice. But ultimately, I'd like for you to marry me so that you can make us a family. For there's no one else I'd rather do this with. No one else fits the bill, baby. It has to be you. Will you be my wife?
Yes. I will marry you.
Great. Let's do this.
Congratulations, my son. You made a better choice than your father.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Congrats.
We're here now.
Son, I'll spend the rest of my life making it up to you and your sisters.
Thank you.
Honey, baby. Congratulations. I'm the kids together. So cute.
Look into my eyes and tell me you understand. I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I never let go. I'm alone in this world. I cannot pretend. There's a pain inside that I never